Oh, here's Inca's puppies, and they are wanting to come out of their kennel. Especially Madsy. She's the one that's figured it out. I don't think the other two have quite figured it out yet, but Madsy has figured it out. And then you've got Marty on the left, and our little Maximo in the back there. They were eating. Are you on the potty park, buddy? That's good. Madsy, we can't see you as well if you're out here. Why don't you go in there? Huh? Yeah, I opened the kennel door to take one of the other puppies out to take pictures, and out came Madsy. She figured it out, and I came back. She was roaming all over the place. Oh, what? What, Maximo? Huh? What? Can we move this out of the way? What about this? Huh? What about the toy? Oh, hello. Oh, there you go again. We can't see you. No, we can't see you when you come out that far. Whoops.
Tripped on that.
Well, guess who our adventurous one is here? Let's say it's Madsy. Are you going to teach them how? Huh? Are you going to teach the rest of them how? They're 5 weeks old now. They were 5 weeks old yesterday. Yes, yes. Where are you going? Nobody can see you. Nobody can see you. All right, so there are Inca's beautiful babies, 5 weeks old.